Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing video where I show you how to use another amazing Webbie social feature. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the slideshow feature. Very simple and easy. So first, once you have already joined Webbie Social, which is by clicking the link on the tweet that brought you here or on the description below, you will come to this amazing interface and you're going to come right here to Studio. So once you click Studio, it's going to be carrying you to the Webbie Social Studio. So beautiful. Now on the Studio portal, you're going to come here to the top left here where you see Studio portal, and then you can see create stack, create slideshow, or create QR code. So we're going to be creating a slideshow today. It's either you come here or you can just come here and select slideshow. So either ways, I'm going to click create slideshow. So once you click create slideshow, you're going to come here and I'm going to put the title. The title, what I'm going to put here as title is going to be, let's say, sample, and then creator Yaks Republic, and then description, let's just say example slideshow for tutorial. Now advanced timing, let's just say between each between each slide, how far, what's the duration I want each slide to stay for. Okay, so now I'm just going to put, let's say, 35 seconds. Okay, and then here if you want to select if you want it to be private, meaning only you will be viewing it, or you check it like this and then it's going to be public and anyone with the link can view and share this slide. So as it is like this now, it is private, but once I check it up like this, it's going to be a public slideshow. So over here you now come and upload your images. So I'm just going to come and choose some random files. Remember, the maximum file size has to be 5 MB per image. So I'm just going to come to my downloads and let's see if I have a couple of images here. So I'm just going to use some of the thumbnails I have done so far for different projects. So let's just do with that. Good. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just randomly selected, like, I think that should be 5 images there, and then click open, and then you can see here images added successfully. So now you can either choose if you want to select if all these images are by the same artist, and yes, all of them are by me, and let's say they aren't by the same artist. If you uncheck it here, you can adjust the artist name. Okay, so let's say this image was by Yaks Republic and then this image was by maybe Midas. I'll come here and select Midas, but all of these images are all from me. So that's why I'm going to select all are from the same artist, and then you can decide to put a description per image. So let's say you are using this for your artwork. Each image you can select, okay, whatever inspired you to do it, just a particular description for it, and then the title. So I'm just going to adjust the title for each of them. Let's just say by the name of the project I worked for. So Hot Spring. Okay, so let me just change the title to what is actually more relevant. So let's just say beauty or sample thumbnails made by me. Okay, so okay, so beautiful. Now you can, now that as it is like this, it's already done, and you come here and then click add 5 images to slideshow. So once you click the add 5 images to slideshow, you can now come to this other tab and reorder it. Okay, you can also click this to adjust or edit the metadata. So if you click like this, you can adjust the name, artist, just exactly what we did before. So, and then you select that, and then you can choose to order it in a particular order. So if I want to bring this one down, I can either hold it and drag it, and then that comes down, or I use this arrow button, and then this X here can actually delete anyone. So like, let's just say I want to delete this one here. Let's just say I want to take this one out. If I click X, it's gone. Okay, so and then with that, let's say you want to upload more, you can come here and upload, and it's just the exact same, method we used. So you choose files, upload, and adjust the metadata, and then you come here, arrange and preview. So now once that is done, we are now going to create slideshow. So, and beautiful, you can see the beautiful congratulations, your slideshow has been created. So you can see the slideshow title, and then you can invite friends to try out Webbie Social. Or yeah, if you click outside here, you see your slideshow here. Now it's already made public. If I want to make it private, I can just check it out like this, and then the slideshow is now private, but I want it to be public, so that is it. So now if I want to share it to people, if I click like this, I can decide to share the link. And now here is the cool part, I forgot to mention it in the video, pardon me. This your slideshow can actually be embedded. That's how cool it is. If you want this slideshow embedded into, let's say, a website, you can just come here, select the particular embed size you want, okay, and then copy the code. That is mind-blowing. That's actually really, really mind-blowing. It can be embedded into a website. So it's something that is just so exciting about the Webbie Social slideshow. I'm not sure this is actually found anywhere, a slideshow that can actually be embedded. So you all really need to actually try this feature. You can copy the link and then share it absolutely anywhere. So now I've copied the link, I'm just going to come to a new tab, and then let's just see. Then there you go, it's just beautiful. So if you click watch slideshow, you can see beautiful. So you can manually control it, or if you just leave it, it will play on its own because there's a 5-second delay in between them. So you can decide to share it to your socials and everything. So that's everything about the slideshow. Now if you want to edit it, you can always come here and edit. You want to delete it, delete. And now another cool thing concerning still slideshows, let's say you want to see other people's slideshows, you come here to public gallery, and then once you come to public gallery, you can see all the slideshows that every single person has done. You can view them, and you can also come here, search by the title of the slideshow or the creator, or maybe a description, okay, and then it's just going to show here. So you can see all these beautiful slideshows by amazing legends here. That's it. So thank you very much for watching. I still remain Yaks Republic.